Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you a method where you can create a free ebook to put your Clickbank affiliate links in, and I'm going to show you several high targeted traffic sites that you can place your ebook for free and drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers with Clickbank products. Alright, so stick around, you're going to want to see this whole video, and we're going to get started on that right now. Welcome back to the video, guys, and today in this video, like I said, I'm going to show you a couple of ways here that you can drive some high targeted traffic to your Clickbank affiliate links using ebooks. Alright, first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner and with kevin-lehner.com, and if this is your first time to my videos or you've been here before and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, well, reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here. Alrighty, great guys, and also if you're new to my channel or to my videos, what we do here is how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money online videos, and once in a while a motivational video we'll put up as well. Okay? Alrighty guys, well, with all that out of the way now, let's go ahead and get started in on this. Kind of anxious to show this to you here. First thing you want to do is you want to create an ebook. Now I'm going to show you a couple of ways to do it. One is the long way and one is a short way to do this. Okay? Now, so what we're going to do first is you want to come, of course, to Clickbank, and I'm not going to go into too much detail on this. You want to pick a product that's in your niche, you know, and it can be in any niche that you want. At Clickbank, as you see, there's several niches here. And as I've told you guys before, the three hottest niches are the wealth, health and wellness, and relationships niches. So you can pick something under those or any niche that you want. Now, for this particular example here today in this video, I'm going to use just like the Cinderella solution or any of these lose weight products here. Okay? So you know how to do this. Come here, you want to choose a high gravity product such as this one here, the Cinderella solution right here. And it's got 415 people promoting this pretty successfully on Clickbank right now. So anyways, you pick a product and then you click your promote link or button here, and you want to get your put your marketing, your ID in here, your affiliate marketing ID with Clickbank, you know, your account nickname or ID with Clickbank. Make sure you put that in here, and you can use the tracking if you want to as well too. I don't usually use those myself, but you can. And then you just click generate hop links, and that'll give you your hop link, and then you can copy it to the clipboard, take it over to bit.ly.com like you guys have seen in my previous videos. Take it over to bit.ly and shorten that thing up and make it look a little bit nicer. Okay, so anyways, now we know how to pick a product and get your affiliate link, right? And then what you're going to do now, you want to create an ebook for this. The sites that I'm going to show you, most times ebooks are uploaded on them. People like to read ebooks. They're just a much better way of using with your affiliate links and your products and things. So you can do it in a couple of ways here. You can come over to idplr.com, as you see right here. This is a free ebook downloading site. It's PLR products, public license rights products, and you can download free ebooks already. And I just already put weight loss in their search engine here before I started the video here, and as you can see, it come up with a couple here. Just as an example, so let's say if we took this ebook here, this is a free ebook, you can download this, and then you want to edit it so it has what you want on the book cover. And in the words in the book, if you like the way it reads, you can edit the reading of it or whatever sentences in it in there. And then you're going to put your Clickbank affiliate links in the text as like a text anchor link, a link that you put in any amount of sentences or words or whatever. You can put your text link, anchor your affiliate product link in a text link. Okay. Now, to edit the book, you want to come over to Google and do a free search. I don't know, unless you have a ebook editor already on your computer, you can, and you don't, you can come here to Google, and I just put in here free PDF editors up here in the search engine. And as you look down here, there's quite a few of them. You can get a free editor and edit your ebook and put your affiliate links in the ebook, put your name on the cover if you want, and so on and so forth, to make it sort of personalized to you. And then save that ebook, and then you'll have your ebook. Now that's the long way. That's the long way, because editing ebooks is a little bit tedious and time consuming. But I have a little bit better way to do this here. I use a product, in fact, this ebook that you see right here on my website, this is my website, kevin-lehner.com. This ebook that you see here, called Passive Income Strategies, I created with this product right here, which incidentally, by the way, you can also download your free copy of my ebook right here if you want. It's an affiliate marketing ebook, Passive Income Strategies, and it will show you different strategies to use to market affiliate products, including Clickbank products as well. So what I use, the product that I use to do that with, is called Scribble. And this creates ebooks in a matter of minutes, or just a few minutes actually. I created my ebook with this product in about 15 minutes. I had it done in about 15 minutes, rather than going through PLR products and then taking the time to edit it and so on and so forth. I did it all pretty quickly with this product right here. It's called Scribble. I'll have the link down there in the top of the description for it, and you can click on that and come over and check this out. And it'll actually create it for you. You'll even they even have words or documents, or already words that you can use in the program, or you can take articles from like e-zine articles in the weight loss niche, or any other article site, and you can bring it over and put it into this ebook, and it'll write it for you, and then you can easily enough insert your Clickbank or any affiliate links in those ebooks. This creates really professionally looking ebooks, this program, and it does it automatically for you. You just input the text that you want, and it will create the ebook, and then you can also insert your links into the book for your products, right? So you can come over. They've got it's regularly $67. There's a $20 off coupon down here at the bottom of the screen, if you can see that, and you can get it for like $47 or 46 and some change, or something like that, like $46.90 or something like that. And it's a one-time price, and you can get it, and you can make unlimited ebooks with Scribble, and it does it a whole lot faster and easier than editing it on your own. Okay, so there's a couple of ways you can do that with ebooks. You can go ahead and create your own. You can download your own and then edit it to the way you like it with a free PDF editor, or you can just get Scribble and let Scribble do it for you in a matter of just a few minutes and be done with it, and with your affiliate links in there too. All right, so that's how you get your ebook created there pretty quick. Don't forget the link for Scribbles there at the top of the description. Like I was saying, you can check this out. Just click on the link there, and it'll bring you right over here to this page, and you can check out Scribble and see if it's something that'll work for you. Okay. All right, now let's get on with our high targeted traffic sites where you can place your ebooks and drive targeted traffic to your ebooks with your affiliate link or Clickbank affiliate links in your ebook, right? Okay, so I'm going to come over here to Chrome, and the first place that we'll check out is called Slideshare.net, right? You see it right here. It says Slideshare.net. You come here. These are all, by the way, guys, this can be done free. This is all free that I'm showing you here. Can be done anywhere in the world, just internet and computer, right? The only thing that's not free is if you choose to buy the Scribble program, which is really highly recommended. It's a whole lot easier to make your ebooks with that. But anyways, come to Slideshare.net. I almost can't say it here. Slideshare.net. You can sign up for free. Click on sign up here, and then you can upload your ebook right here. Now let's check out the traffic on slideshare.net so you can see how much targeted traffic this website gets. So if I open up my SimilarWeb Chrome extension, which you guys can get for free, just go to the Chrome Web Store and look up SimilarWeb and install this on your Google Chrome browser, and you can see I've got slideshare.net in there. Whatever page you have up and you bring out SimilarWeb, it'll show you about that website. It'll show you any website in the world's traffic to their site. So monthly visits on SlideShare, as you see, are about 141 million people per month. Guys, that's a lot of traffic. That's a lot of targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. So you want to upload your ebook on SlideShare. Okay? That's one site. And the next site that we're going to show you here is called Scribed. Scribed.com right here. You can upload the same thing here. You'll click sign in, sign up for a free account, and upload your ebook. As you can see here, some other ebooks here. You can upload your ebook on this site in the category, of course, of your niche. So if you're, for example, you're using the weight loss niche, like the product that I use in this example, you would want to upload your book in the weight loss or fat loss or health and fitness niche on this website, as well as the other ones I'm going to show you too, or even on SlideShare. And it's free to sign up here. So the traffic on Scribe.com, let's check it out. As you can see here, Scribe gets about 105 to 106 million people per month on this site. That's a lot of traffic too, and that's all targeted traffic when they come, because they'll be looking for what you're having to offer in your ebook. Something on weight loss, for example. It could be any niche that you want. Okay? Just make an ebook with your niche and put your affiliate links in it, right? So Scribed.com is another really good place to place your ebooks. Another site is called Issuu, ISSUU.com. You see it here in the address bar. And the same thing here, you can sign up for free and place your ebooks on this website. As you can see, there's quite a few other folks who put their ebooks on this site, and people can come here and read those in the category of their interest, right? So let's check the traffic on this website here. So if we bring out SimilarWeb, Issuu.com, scroll up here where you can see it, it's about 46 million people per month on this website. So that's pretty good traffic too right there, guys. Just imagine if you upload your ebook on each one of these sites that I'm showing you here today, that's probably going to be somewhere around 500 million people, somewhere around there, you know, or 250 million people that traffic that's available for your ebook on these sites, right? So 45.7 million on Issuu or Issuu.com, right? That's another good place to put your ebook as well. The next site that I'm going to show you here is called Goodreads.com. See the address up here in the address bar, Goodreads.com. Same thing here. Sign up for free with an account here, and then upload your ebook into the correct category. As you can see, some of the categories down here, and more generic categories. It's got several categories here that you can upload your ebook to. All right, and then so the traffic on this website, let's check it out with SimilarWeb, Goodreads.com. Scroll up here, you can see it. Here you go, 87.3 million visits per month. Guys, that's a bunch of traffic, bunch of targeted traffic for your affiliate offers in your ebook, right? All right, so that's another good site right there. Another one here is called the Archive.org. You can see it here in the address bar, Archive.org. You can also, the same here, you can sign up. They don't have a real sign up link. It doesn't look like right here on this website, but doesn't matter if you click on sign in, it brings it up here, and it says if you don't have an account, you can sign up right here for free on this website, right? So you can upload your ebooks in here on this in your particular niched category. Alrighty, and let's check out the site traffic for this site, Archiveorg, and they get about 76 million visitors per month. That's a lot of traffic there as well. So here we go. This is another good site, archive.org, that you can upload your ebooks to and drive targeted traffic to your affiliate Clickbank offers. Okay, and the last site I'm going to show you here today is it's called getfreeebooks.com. getfreeebooks.com. You can sign up here for free as well, and you can also upload your ebook on this site in the category as you can see some of the categories here, in inspirational and all kinds of things down here, and just upload your ebook in the correct category, and people can come here and they'll find your ebook as well. So let's check out the traffic on this site, getfreeebooks.com. Bring out similar web here. Make sure it's got the getfreeebooks.com up there and scroll up, and we see here that this site doesn't have quite as much as the rest, but it's still pretty high. It's 187, almost 188,000 people per month. That's still quite a lot of traffic right there, folks. So as you can see right here, these are the places where you're going to put in your ebook, upload your ebook to these sites. We have Slideshare, Scribed, Issue, I'm not sure how that's pronounced, Goodreads, Internet Archive, archive.org, and getfreeebooks.com. These are the sites that you can drive some high targeted traffic to your ebook. Well, guys, that's what I had for you today. I wanted to show you these cool high targeted traffic sites and how to create your ebook and get your ebook with your affiliate links in there and get it loaded up on these sites here and start making money with your affiliate links in your ebooks. Alright, guys, don't forget to click the link down there in the description to see Scribble. Also click the link down there where you see it says Mentor with Kev if you want to get in on my #1 affiliate marketing business and check that thing out as well. Alrighty, guys, well, I'm going to let you go with that. Don't forget to comment down there if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down there if you have any questions or any comments about this video, and I'll let you go with that. Don't forget to subscribe as well and click the bell, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have a great day today. Bye-bye now.